The concept of biocultural diversity encompasses the complex relationship between people and their environment, and it proposes that biological diversity and cultural diversity are much more deeply related concepts than they are generally thought to be under the Western worldview. One way to understand how culture can be so closely related to the environment is through the study of how people use language to describe the world around them. The words that people use to describe their environment both reflect and influence how they interact with the natural world, and language plays an important role in the way that we are able to conceive of the world and our place in it. Therefore, there are as many ways of thinking about the world as there are languages spoken on Earth. Unfortunately, the trends of globalization, urbanization, and resource exploitation are threatening both the natural world and the cultural worlds of indigenous peoples, including indigenous languages. People have to have the correct words in order to be able to speak about the world around them in a productive way, so valuable traditional ecological knowledge is embedded in the language that people, particularly indigenous people, use to talk about their environment. Language diversity is directly and most likely causally linked to biological diversity, and because indigenous languages carry traditional ecological knowledge, the loss of language diversity is related to the loss of biological diversity as well. It is for this reason that it is important to protect all of the world's languages from the growing threat of language extinction, in order to protect all of the world's plants and animals from the growing threat of biological extinction.